Maybe they'll put Bolo up near your breast. Yeah, that's the one. That's the one. I just want to be ready. You know, a very important job. Let's go, Sheree. You got this, girl. Whee. Oh, yeah, Sheree. Nice work. That's it. Build that pressure. Yeah, down, down, down. Yes. That's the way, Bolo. They'll learn not to risk it. Oh, yeah. Oh, she's moving quick. Oh, nice ball there, Bree. Straight onto it, Sheree, that's the way. Down, down, down. Yeah, nice work. Good backing up there, Caitlin, that's the way. This one, Sheree, this one, back on, back on. Catch that. Yeah! Woo!
Chuck my hand back up.
Nice over. Nice work, Shaz. Great work, Brass.
Well done.
Great catch. Do you want yours? Brass, you took it. It was amazing.
I was like, who's running drinks?
I am. Yes, Vic. Yes, Vic. Yeah, all yours, Bolo. Yeah, that's the way. Yeah, down, down, down. Back her up. You got it, Sandy. You got it. Yeah, get it in, get it in, get it in. That slide, majestic. Yeah, that's the one. That's the one. That's the one. Oh, good effort. Keep them guessing. That's the way. Oh, yeah. Woo! Yeah! Woo! What a fucking start. Drinkies. Nice start, Braz. Nice work. Drinkies.
Yes. Thanks. Great job.
Sweet. It's hot, eh? Catch that. Yeah! Woo! Unlucky batter. How hard you shaking now? Beecher, how bad do you want to be playing, bro? I know, eh? You're right, man. You're right, you're right. Keep building that pressure. Yes, Bolo. Yes, Bolo. Oh, Alicia! Great start, girls. Great start.
Yeah.
We need to keep the target under 100. That's 100% achievable.
Nice work, guys. Yeah, nice work.
Yeah, just keep going. So,
I honestly thought you were rolling a fag there.
yeah, try to.
Sandy.
So now we've got Sandy again and then Follow again.
Good going, Brass.
Right, so let's just keep them to singles.
Let's go, girls. I reckon I can catch you walking. Speed walking. I think I pulled my hammy doing that. Far out with a one-handed grab coming in 100 mile per hour. Get there, Shelley. Yes, Shelley. Yes, Shelley. That's it. Catch that. Catch that. Oh, wicket's coming. Wicket's coming.